Hello and good day, traders. Hope you have enjoyed the weekend. We are just less than 2 hours away from our the market will open. This is GBP and JPY. The first thing is this: if we do the top-down analysis for the last 5 months, actually the GBP JPY is not doing much at all. If you can see, yes, it is a uptrend, undoubtedly. Excuse me, the market structure clearly indicates the uptrend is there. However, for the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months, it is not doing much. We had a very big bullish candle here, and after that the market lost this traction on the upside. So if we go to before we go to the weekly, it is very much evident that it has already created a double top here in monthly time frame. This is the place, and this is what we can get from here. And to create this top, we have a double bottom here. This guy, not this guy, these two guys. So let's measure them. I beg your pardon, mark them. And if we put it back, mark it, this is the thing, and let's measure the half of it to visualize the market structure. So this is the whole thing we have in monthly time frame. The information we can have here that we may have a potential double top in this region. So we just mark it for the time being for our future reference, up to what position or what extent the price may come. That is all the information we can have here, but we can see very clearly that for the last 2 months, because as November is still, we have 17 days to go. Last 3 months it didn't break the top here. It failed to break the top. It tried once, now it is trying in November, getting back to weak. It is clearly indicating the market is ranging in weak, and the range is, we can, if we mark the range of the week, then this is the range we have. And again, in November we don't have any double top so far, because we need a red here, and on the bottom side we don't have a double bottom also. So there is nothing much here. to understand which way the market will go, because if we see here in weekly, all the FPG has been mitigated by this guy, and the uptrend started from here. If we measure the weekly from here to here, and you can very easily see that this uptrend has already been retraced back to 50% here, or more than 50%, or you can say 50% has been achieved here, considering this is the beginning of the uptrend in the week. So let's get back to day time frame, and in day time frame it is very clear what we have seen in weekly. It is ranging here too. This is what's happening in daytime frame, but we do have a double top here. This is the guy, we have it here in daytime frame, and here do we have a double bottom? No, we don't have any double bottom here or here. So if we measure this range based on this range, the market supposed to come back here in day. It is trying. This is half for the time being, we can say. And if we analyze the market structure, we can see that the upward traction of the market is losing its steam, and that's why in the month we have seen that it is not doing much in the monthly wise, and which is reflecting very clearly in the daytime too. So it is making, so let's analyze it in a more detail. This was the break of structure here, and the market came down, and again it is the break of structure here, and then again we can see that market try to break the structure here on upward traction. And last but not least, here we can see break of structure again on upside, but it failed to break this structure from here. So in daytime frame, last week it didn't do any significant action here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just consolidating within a range, this area. So this structure was broken, market went down. This structure was broken, market went down. Then market started moving up from breaking this structure and this structure, and the market remained there for the time because it couldn't break this line with the body. Any of the 5 candles doesn't have any body above this, so this is the double top. Considering the 4 hours time frame, we can see that the last week it has just in a ranging, or we can say consolidation mode. So if we mark it here, we can see very clearly that neither the market is going up nor it is coming down. So my best suggestion to, and of course we have a double top here in 4 hours time frame, and we have a double bottom here also in 4 hours time frame. These are the two places, and if we again measure the beginning of 4 hours from here, we can clearly see that market went to top and it has retraced back to its 50% level. Can you guys see? It has retraced back to 50%. So my suggestion is this, to wait, and we can define the range now within these two lines, where if any of the lines is broken, then we may target, let me activate this zone, this guy, let me activate it. Okay, it is there. Oh yes, so we may think targeting this line, but for the time being, for 4 hours, you can see that apart from making a double top here, if we extend it, it is coming from here too. So the market depth is considering this can reach to this level eventually, but before that, on short term, we can see that the market may go up or down by this extent if the market breaks on outside. So if it goes here, we test, it may go up to this, and if it comes down, retest and breaks the barrier, let me squeeze it a little, it may come up to this place. So if we copy this and bring it down, so market will come up to this position. That is the only analysis I have for the time being. So don't take any trade in this zone. Maybe it will do something like this before it takes breakout on the upper side or break down on the downside. It is advisable not to take any trade. Wait for this price action and see where it takes. That's it for Gbpjpy. If you have any question and query, please let me know, and feel free to share your analysis. Thank you very much.